We're back!
This is Investigation 3, Part 1.
And today, we have another
Challenge for you.
You guys are going to become engineers today.
Mr. Montgomery, what's an engineer?
Oh, an engineer is a scientist who solves problems.
I have a problem. I want $1 million. That's my problem. I want $1 million.
Miss G, not those types of problems. Sorry.
Bummer. I thought he was going to solve all my problems today.
But like I said, you guys are going to be engineers and you're going to be solving a problem because engineers are scientists who solve problems.
In the real world.
In the real world. And they solve these problems by actually building and designing different things to solve their problem.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Maybe an engineer could build me a machine to make $1 million.
You know what? An engineer might be able to do that. But your problem that you're going to try and solve today is you're going to have to build a car. And your problem is that you have to get your car to roll down the ramp.
Like rolling down the river. Like that?
Somewhat like that.
Okay.
But it definitely has to roll down the ramp. It can't just drag or slide. It's got to roll. Okay? And the problem, though, is you can only use the stuff that we give you in this bag.
Stuff? Is that the best word you can use? Is stuff, Mr. Montgomery?
You're right. That's not very scientific. You have to use the constraints.
Woo! Constraints. That's a big word.
Which are all the materials in this bag. You can only use what's in here. You don't have to use it all. But you have to use what's in here to make your car that can roll down the ramp.
Okay. So let's talk about two words. The first one is criterion.
Yes.
Another big word. Criterion. Say it for me. Perfect.
So basically, criterion is what you're trying to accomplish. So in this experiment, your criterion is you have to build the car that can roll down the ramp. That's your criterion.
Okay. So your constraints are kind of the limits of this challenge.
Exactly.
And so your constraints are that you can only use the materials in that bag.
Yep.
Should we go over what the materials they have?
Let's do it. And keep in mind, as we go over these, you don't need to use them all, okay?
But you can't pull anything out of your pockets or anywhere else.
So one of the things that you have in your bag of materials is an index card.
Interesting. I see quattro, or 4, large red wheels.
To go along with that, you also have 4 small yellow wheels.
This is like a whole bag of goodies. It's like Christmas
is.
morning opening this bad boy up. 2 green shafts or axles. Ooh,
Yes.
hopefully I didn't give them too much information on the back.
2 plastic straws.
2 large tongue depressors. Do not put these on your tongue.
No thanks.
That's gross.
4 small tongue depressors or popsicle sticks.
4 binder clips.
And tape. So this is your constraints. You have to use the materials here to build your car to get it to roll down the ramp so that you accomplish your criterion. And talk to your partner because you have to work together to come up with a design that will work.
Yeah.
Do you think if it doesn't work the first time, we should cry?
No, actually, I'm just going to lay on the floor and throw a fit.
Or just sit here and stare?
Come on, third graders. We know that you have better problem-solving skills than that. If it doesn't work, talk to your partner about it and try again.
Oh, like take it apart and do something different.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Because you know what? We're going to have a growth mindset that we can grow in this.
You got it.
Okay. Let's go. I'm going to go rolling down the river.
Miss G, get back here. We need to build our car.
Get to work.